Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2025, all the Cancer ascendant people. So first of all, we'll talk about Sun. Sun controls your second house, and right now Sun is starting from your 8th house in the sign of Aquarius, where 8th house Lord Saturn is already present. Sun will stay in your 8th house till 14th of March 2025. After 14th of March, Sun will move from your 8th house to 9th house in the sign of Pisces, where many planets are present right now. So, second house deal with your speech, your food intake habits, your family-related matter, your early upbringing, your savings, your bank account, your wallet, etc., etc. Your loved ones, like people you love to talk, you love to live with, is seen from second house and fifth house. Uh, So your second house lord is right now present into your 8th house. 8th house will be your secrecy, your unearned money, your unexpected gains, your in-laws, or your secret relationship, etc. etc. So till 14th of March, we can expect great result regarding your savings and your money related matter, because second house is receiving the aspect of its lord from 8th house. Sun is expecting second house from 8th house, and 8th house lord is also present in the 8th house. This position will prove very beneficial for you regarding your in-laws related matter, regarding your unexpected gains of money. Like if your money wasted somewhere, then there are chances you may get that money during this time period. Also, if you are into some lotteries, some unexpected gains of speculation, then this time period will prove very beneficial for you people till 14th of March. After 14th of March, when Sun will move from your 8th house to 9th house, then we can expect more good result regarding your education. If you are in education life, like you are doing some higher education, post-grade education, your superior, your teacher will be very supportive during this time period. Also, if you want to go some travel related matter, like you want to visit some religious places, some spiritual places, then we can also expect some great result for you people during this time period. Mercury controls your 12th house and your 3rd house. And right now, Mercury is starting from your 9th house as well in the sign of Pisces. Hmm. Keep in mind that Pisces sign considered as debilitation sign for Mercury. And right now, Mercury is starting from your 9th house in the sign of Pisces. And Mercury also is about to turn into its retrograde motion around 15th March 2025. So, Mercury will be in its retrograde motion, also in its debilitated state after 15th of March. You need to be very careful regarding your expenses, regarding your losses, because 12th house will be the expenses, losses. And this position will prove very beneficial regarding your travel related matter. That's why we were saying in Sun section, if you want to travel somewhere, then this position will be very supportive for you in the month of March, because your 12th house lord is also starting from your 9th house. 9th house also deal with your long distance travel. Third house will be your communication, your efforts, your courage, your younger brothers, sisters, cousins, neighbors, childhood friends. And right now, your third house is occupied by K2. So, and third house Lord is something in stability state and also about turning to gate motion. You need to be very careful when you're dealing with your teachers, mentor, guiders, and your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend. Means your communication, you need to be controlled on your communication and your anchor related matter during this time period. You may face some type of difficulties, especially after 15th of March. Rest, we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter, regarding your effort putting into something, like you are doing some higher education, then you will put a lot of effort and you will also get the good result regarding that effort. Venus controls your 11th house and your 4th house. And right now, Venus is also starting from your 9th house in the sign of Pisces. 11th house deal with your gains, your income gains, how much gains you can accumulate in this life, your friend circle, your professional circle, network circle, your supportive people like your sources, your PR, your elder brother, sister, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes, all of things, like good things are also represented by all of the good things are represented by 11th. So 11th house consider and great house regarding materialistic gains. Also, that was your 4th house. 4th house will be your properties, your inner peace, your emotions, your comfort in life, your vehicles, properties, your relationship with your mother, etc., and mother's like figure. So where your 11,000, $4,000 something from your 9,000 and 9,000 occupied by Pisces sign and Venus considered exalted in the sign of Pisces. Also Venus is about to turn into its retrograde motion. Like two planets are about to turn into its retrograde motion in the month of March, Venus and Mercury. Mercury is right now in its debilitated state, but Venus is present in the exalted state. Pisces sign considered as debilitated sign for the Mercury, but exalted sign for the Venus. That's why things will be in a balance right now, and you will get the great result. You don't need to worry about money related matter, but you need to focus on your communication related matter and your secrecy related matter, because sun is right now present to 8th house. Sun will illuminate the significance of your 8th house. So there is something your secrets may come out during this time period. So you need to work on that matter and your communication related matter. Rest we can expect great result for all the Cancer ascending people. Moon. Moon controls your first house. Moon is very important planet for you people. And right now, Moon is also present in the sign of Pisces into your 9th house. Positions of planets you are watching on whiteboard set according to 1st March 2025, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon for every house in a monthly prediction video, then video will get too linear. It will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you assess your moon transit into your birth chart easily. First of all, whenever moon is starting from your 6th, 8th and 12th house. Uh, so whenever moon is starting from the 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may face some type of difficulty, issues and some hurdles into your life due to presence of moon in 6, 8 and 12 because these are considered as naturally malefic house astrology. Somehow issues, problem or difficulties are always associated with these houses. Secondly, whenever moon is starting from near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days also we can expect we may have some type of difficulty, issues and confrontation into your life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the easiest way to understand the transit of moon into your birth chart. Mars controls your 10th house and your 5th house. And right now, Mars is something from your 12th house in the sign of Gemini. Mars has just come out from its great motion in the last month, in the month of February, as we discussed previously in last prediction video. But right now, Mars is moving its direct motion into your 12th house. 10th house will be your work environment, how much, how far you can go into your career, how good your sources will be, how authoritative you will be into your life. All of these things are represented by 10th house. Your fame, your greatness into life is represented by 10th house. Fifth house will be your children, your love relationships, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, your early education, especially your card type education, your mental abilities, your planning ability, your fun activities, etc. etc. Your loved ones also seen from fifth house along with second house. So your fifth house and 11th, so your fifth house and 10th house Lord is right now targeting from your 12th house. First, for if you have any connection from foreign land into your work matter, like you work in a multinational company, or your work is somehow related to export import. Any connection into your work from foreign land, then we can expect you will get great result in the month of March from foreign land. You may acquire some good gains, some increment, some promotion at your workplace. Secondly, your fifth house Lord is also targeting from your 12th house. If you were to send your children abroad regarding their education matter, then we can expect great result regarding all of these matter till Mars is something from your 12th house. Also, you need to be very careful regarding your children's treatment if you have children, or because fifth house Lord is something from your 12th house. 12th house also considered expenses and losses. You may expenses some money for your children or your loved one during this time period. So you need to be very careful regarding all of this, but then take care of these matters also. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer trading people. Our today's video monthly prediction of March 2025 for all the Cancer ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.